Welcome to my channel, Crystal here. Today I'm going to make a super easy, fast dish, cucumber dragon salad. In about 5 minutes, you will get this fancy looking, amazing taste cucumber salad ready. Let's get right into it. I bought one English cucumber, about 14 inches long, enough for one plate. Peel the wrap, wash it clean. Then place a pair of chopsticks or 2 metal straws on each side of the cucumber. This is to prevent cutting the cucumber all the way through. Place the knife vertically and cut straight down. Squeeze the chopsticks tight. Then flip the cucumber upside down. You can see the bottom remain connected. Then turn the knife to 45-degree angle. Then cut straight down all the way from the beginning to the end. When you finish, you should be able to hold on both ends and stretch the cucumber out without to break it. Does it look like a dragon? Or a rope, if you would call it? Arrange the cucumber in a plate. Then move on to prepare the sauce. In a bowl, mince 1 clove of garlic. Then add in 1 teaspoon of sugar, ½ teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon rice vinegar. A few drops of sesame oil. Mix together. Then pour on top of the cucumber. If you like, you can also add some sweet pepper cubes for color pops. Wait a few minutes and let the dressing sink in. Then cut into bite size and enjoy. The cucumber is crunchy. The main taste is salty, but with mild sweetness and sourness. An extra tang from the garlic. It is a quick and easy appetizer, or if you're on a diet, eat on its own. It's very delicious and a low-calorie choice. Give it a try. I think you will love it. I hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more healthy, easy home cooking videos. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.